Homicide o hazing ang tinitingnang anggulo ng pulisya kaugnay sa pagkalunod ng dalawang Ateneo men's basketball player na sina Rene Baterbonia at Divine Adili. Nagsorry naman ang pamunuan ng Ateneo de Manila University kaugnay sa ilang araw na pananahimik sa pagkamatay ng dalawa nilang student athletes. May unang balita si Marisol Abduraman.
Isang linggo matapos malunod sa Dipakulaw, Aurora, ang mga manlalarong sina Rene Baterbonia at Divine Adili. Humarap sa media ang pamunuan ng Ateneo de Manila University.
I'm here to say simply and directly, we are truly, deeply sorry. We mourn both the loss of life and the shattering of dreams. We mourn the potential that won't come true. To the families of Rene and Divine, we see you. We hear you.
Humingi si Father Yap ng paumanhin sa publiko sa kanilang pananahimik at kung bakit hindi pinaharap agad sa publiko ang mga involved sa team building activities sa Aurora.
The persons who can shed light on the events of June 8 are also now subject of investigations by the authorities. We recognize that they have their constitutional rights as well, and we intend on respecting those rights. And therefore, we cannot speak on their behalf nor force them to speak at this time.
Inanunsyo rin ang pagbibitiw ni na Coach Tab Baldwin at Team Manager Epo Kimpo sa universidad at kanilang sports program.
We thank him for the years of service to the Blue Eagles. But as we enter a period of deep institutional review, a change in leadership is necessary to ensure the full integrity of our sports programs.
Bumuraw ng fact-finding body ang kanilang board of trustees para mag-imbestiga.
We don't want to compromise the findings of that. Even we, the whole university, will be answerable to that fact-finding group.
So far, all available information and accounts on what happened on June 8 show that it was a tragic accident.
Hindi sinibot ni Baldwin ang parehong pagpapatawag sa kanya ng PNP Criminal Investigation and Detection Group o CIDG at ang Department of Labor and Employment o DOLE. Homicide o hazing na ang tinutumbok ng investigasyon ng CIDG sa pagkamatay ni Baterbonia at Adili.
Forced calisthenics, exposure to the weather, or any other brutal treatment or forced physical activity. Due diligence was not exercised.
Ang head ng athletics department ng Ateneo at mga abogado ang humarap.
Kaninong utak talaga?
Right now, all direction pinpoints doon sa head coach. And we're not totally exonerating, the investigation is ongoing.
Muli raw ipatatawag ng PNP-CIDG ang mga opisyal ng Ateneo basketball team na hindi sumipot. Ito'y para magbigay linaw nga sa nangyaring insidente.
Kung di pa rin sumipot, ay sasampahan sila ng reklamong indirect contempt o obstruction of justice.
Have they considered na these players are basketball players and not swimmers? And we will also be asking, out of the 7 training staff na kasama, swimmer ba sila? Diba? Or who conducted the CPR?
Ang DOLE, pinatawag si Baldwin at hinanapan ng alien employment permit. Humarap ang kanyang abogado, pero dala lang ang alien certification of registration. Humiling na ang CIDG na ilagay si Baldwin sa Immigration Lookout Bulletin. Lumabas din sa investigasyon ng CIDG na ang Ateneo basketball team ay autonomous at pinatatakbo independently ng isang foundation. Sa kumpanya umano nakarehistro ang sasakyang ginamit ni Baldwin papuntang Aurora.
We will be issuing subpoenas sa SMART to help us shed light also. We will see po sa course ng investigation.
Sinusubukan pa ng GMA News na makuha ang panig ng Smart Communications. Ito ang unang balita. Marisol Abduraman, GMA News.